Hi kitties, want to see some of my zippos? These are old sterling silver. So I've got them in this revolving display thing here. Try shine a light on them, don't do much good. It's a brass one, a skull, Joe Camel. I'll try to go by the rows. And these are the sterling silver ones. They're old. Some of them I got more. Wait for them to revolve around. There's something in there, I don't know what it is. Butterfly. What's this one? Another Joe Camel. Empty case. Some ship. Brass snake. Skull. Alright, so got this big skull. That's a Zippo knife. Case. Another sterling silver. That's just an old Hertz one. That's a Camel flower power. There's your butterfly again. That's a different kind of Zippo. It's a rare one. You know this big eyeball. I like this one. Rolling Stones. Peace sign with like shiny stuff. Oh, we saw these. There's a knife. I think it's a Harley Zippo knife. Alright, what's in the next row? Jack Daniels. Gotta have one of those. What is that? Babe Ruth. I made that one. There's one with a guitar pick. I stuck that on there. A different peace sign. This one, I stuck a coin on it. Joe DiMaggio. I made that one. Train. That's a Marlboro. This fishwife. I put her on a Zippo. I made that one. This is an old aircraft one. Local from Farmingdale, New York. Another Camel orange. And another old one. Let's see what else. Spinning around. I guess I'm almost done. Kramer. Seinfeld. I made that one. Martini glass. Just an old silver one. This one's pretty cool. Abalone shell. Exclamation point. This Corvette. Another abalone. Very old L&M one. Peace sign again. I guess, oh, there's only a couple more. Black Matt. Paul McCartney. Another eyeball. I have two eyeballs, of course. Oh, wait. I have these other cool ones. John Lennon. George Harrison. Paul McCartney. Ringo Starr from the Richard Avedon posters in 1969. And all the Beatles on Zippos from the White Album.
And it's made with IBM. The Big Apple's bright light shine on the quarterfinals.
Alright, so there you go, kitties. Zippos in a revolving case. And my pet jellyfish. Thanks for looking. Our trained personal shoppers will shop just like you, and we'll deliver the groceries right to your door. Or you can pick up at the store. Start shopping now at ShopRite.com and get what you want.
We could have sent you a card for being a loyal Verizon.